2. Botanical abundance. Embrace the beauty of botanicals with an abundance of indoor plants, introducing lush greenery that not only enhances visual appeal, but also improves air quality and creates a calming atmosphere. 3. Natural materials. Palette. Explore a palette of natural materials, from wood and stone to sustainable fibers, fostering a tactile connection to the earth and bringing warmth and authenticity to interior spaces. 4. Nature-inspired color schemes. Dive into nature-inspired color schemes, drawing from earthy tones, soft greens, and calming blues to replicate the serene hues found in natural landscapes.